Hi my loves, welcome and welcome back to my YouTube channel.
And in this video, I'll be showing you how I record or film all my dramas, tutorial videos and farming vlog without a tripod. Yeah, no tripod, no problem. I know that it's not everyone that can afford a tripod when starting out, especially if you are recording in a small space like me. But guess what? You don't need one. Let me show you my DIY setup. Got myself. I'll first of all place this thing, then I will get my phone just like this. I'll start recording or this way. Can you see it? I'll start recording myself. Different ways I usually record myself. So this is for number one of it. Too much. If the sun is too much, I look for down here. I will stay, or I'll keep it like this, or this place. If the sun is too much, or if the reflection of sun is too much, I will keep it this way, or like this. Yeah, this is how I record myself every time I want to make a video. Guess what? I just recorded this video right on that same spot I just showed you guys. So this is actually how it looks like outside. So let's go. There is another one. Another way I record myself is using this table. Yeah. If I want to record, if I want to stay outside to record, I will carry out this table. Okay, let me show you. You can see the table is now outside. Okay, either I use this. If I use this scale now, it's going to be low. Can you see it? It's going to be low, unless I will squat. But what I normally do is I will get this, getting this. Can you see it? I'll place it here, then shape it this way. Oh, right. Nothing is done. Yeah, let me use this too. Yeah, to make it to be higher. And instead, I will use this to place it this way. And make sure it sits properly. Yo! This is the part where my phone actually gave up on me. I'll bend it. Yeah. Then the next thing I usually do is I will get the seat. Let me get the seat. Yeah, I will keep the seats and sit. Then I will sit on it like this. Or I will keep it. If this place is too far from me, I will draw the table forward. So that's all. And then I will show you, like, if I want to make a video outside like at the farm, or in fact at the farm. So now another way I usually record when I'm at the farm, because my second channel I usually upload farming stuff there, and whenever I want to record there, I usually make a hole. I usually use this. I don't know whether you can see it. This bamboo stick, I usually use it. Then I will make an opening here. Can you see it? Yeah, this is open. I'll make the opening here. Or either ways, I usually keep it here at this branch. So let me show you how I usually do it. When I'm at the farm, so now I'm going to dig a hole here and make a hole here. Let me pause it for a while. I'll make a hole here. Then the next thing I'm going to do is to put this stick. Yeah, let's say I'm at the farm now. Put this stick inside the hole and close it. Notch it very well so that it won't fall. Okay, can you see it? This is it. Then I'll keep my phone like this. I'll just keep my phone like this. Sometimes I will hold it with this rubber band. I will hold it with the rubber band so that it won't fall. I'm going to use small phone to video it so that you can see it. Okay, now I've gotten a small phone. I'll place it this way, like this. I'll use a rubber band to hold it. Or either ways, you can bring it out. Bring it out from the hole and use a rubber band. Two. I'm going to be using 2 rubber bands to tie it. Or if you have, what's the name again? If you have, you can use rope to tie it. You can use rope to tie it. I will make it to like this. Just turn it. Place it this way. Yeah, like this. Can you see it? Right, now place it. Just make it to sit very well. Make it to sit very well. Then you can record your video. And another way you can also do it this way is by, let me fix it. Start matching the ground or closing it with a sand. That place you made an opening. That place, this opening, you place the phone. Just place the phone inside. I don't know, since I'm using my hand to video and also show you, it's going to be hard. Okay, let me pause for a while and show you. So right now, this is it. Without even using a rubber band. Can you see it? These are the different ways I usually make my video, or I usually record when I'm outside or even inside. Yeah, this is it. So if you're out there thinking you can't start a YouTube channel or Facebook because you don't have the necessary equipment, you don't have to worry. Okay, you don't have to worry because all you need is your creativity and your mobile device. And if this helped you a lot, don't forget to subscribe, like and comment.